Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can repair a hard disk which is showing the error RAW. So probably you might have been facing this, that you cannot see your hard disk anymore, or it shows RAW and you are unable to use your hard disk, or whenever you plug your hard disk it asks you to format it but nothing is happening. So if this is the case for you, then this video is for you. So first what you will have to do, you will have to go to your search tab and you will have to type disk, and we will go to create and format hard disk partitions. We will click on this option to open it, and you will have to wait just a few seconds until all the disk will appear, and there we go. So here it comes to search for the disk which I need to repair. So when I check, only my small hard disk with 148 giga is showing. We can see it here, 149 giga, 148 disk local C, and we can see here unallocated with black. This is my 1 terabyte hard disk which is not appearing at all. So first what you will have to do, you will have to click with the right button of the mouse and you will select new simple volume, and you click with it on it, and then you click here which is asking welcome to the new simple volume wizard, and you will just click next, and here we will keep the same number, the same size allocation. We'll just click next, and here you can either assign a drive letter, let's name it A, and I will click next, and here it is asking to format the volume with the following settings. So I would suggest to you guys, since you are using a Windows computer, try to keep the file system as NTFS and allocation unit size default, and you can name your hard disk as repaired, let's say, and you can here select perform a quick format. You have to make sure that this option is selected, and you click next. You can read this information if you want to. I will just click finish, and you will have to wait a few seconds. Here you can see formatting. It changed from unallocated to formatting, and I will have to wait again a few seconds, and now my hard disk is ready to be used. It shows the name of the hard disk, how many giga it contains or the capacity, the type file under which it was formatted, NTFS, and primary partition state or status healthy. You can also check here, guys, the status of your hard disk or the partition, if it's okay, if it's unallocated, or if it's primary partition. So here we can see the volume name repaired A, simple basic NTFS healthy primary partition, free 100%. We can go now to our PC shortcut and we can check, and there we go, my hard disk is now showing. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment, or you can send us an email, and we will do our best to help you and to reply to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.